Audio accessories. The accessory socket on the CP910 sound processor lets you connect a wide range of audio accessories. Audio accessories cannot be connected to the CP920 sound processor as it doesn't have an accessory socket. To connect an audio accessory to the CP910 sound processor, carefully lift open the accessory socket cover with your screwdriver. Hold the side grips on the accessory connector and carefully push it into the accessory socket until it clicks into place. When you connect an audio accessory, your processor automatically detects it. Insert the other end of the audio accessory cable into a compatible device. For example, a portable music player. Audio accessories turn on automatically when you plug them into a processor. Quickly press the upper button to switch between microphones and the audio accessory.